Hello, I'm finally going to try and re-pearl my necklace that I pearled that didn't work. When I first started this, I was like, I really don't want to buy anything for this project. I feel like I have everything, but since then I've bought these, which are purling needles. So I've bought something called French bouillon or French wire. So the trick now is trying and hoping to see if this will work, because I also bought what I hope is thicker French bouillon, and I should really get in the hobby fucking purling now because I have all these accessories. Putting the clasp through this, boop. Surely that will be enough. We go with French bouillon. This is the French bouillon. Right here is my French wire, French bouillon. So, let's thread this French wire in through here. I'm gonna hold this in my mouth because I made it super long. We're putting the first pearl. I think I'd remember a little bit of what I did, but I don't. You don't need to see my face. It's better if you see what I'm doing, isn't it? So, see? I've got one needle in here, one needle here, and then I'm gonna put this through the already threaded, and then we're gonna take this and pull. Oh, we went in! Is this how we do this? And according to this video, now we start the knots. Puts this little slap of glue here. I don't know what glue he's using, but I've got super glue. Okay, second pearl going in. 2. Wow, smooth as fucking butter, my guy. Oh my god, oh, this is going well. Did I jinx myself? I've figured out a groove. I'll show you a couple. I start by poking my long ass needle through the pearl. Then I poke that needle in my leg to keep it in place. Then I take my other needle and poke it through the same pearl, trying not to catch the thread from the first needle. Pull it through. I take my small needle and I make a knot, and then I take my other needle, big ass needle, make another knot, poke it back in my leg. And if your back isn't hurting, you're probably doing it wrong, but don't take advice from me because I don't know what I'm doing. Take a pearl, knot it through with my big ass needle, thread it through rather, boop, and here it can catch on like the end of the needle, so I make sure it goes in correctly, and then pull, poke it in my leg or something, or see, oh, that's my stomach, that works, pass it through, then take the other needle, where is it, pass it through here without getting in the thread. There you go. Pop it in. Get it to the end. The knots get tighter on the end here once you put the back pearl in. Then one knot with the little needle, one knot with the little needle, one knot with the big needle, poke myself in the chest to keep it in place, make sure it's not all tangled and shit. Magique. You like? And now 32 more to go. So 1 knot. Knot, because I do believe I can do this tonight. I've done this so many times now. It is 6:47. Let's see when I finish this. It is now 8 p.m. 8:06, and I pretty much finished the necklace. So now I need to do the finishing piece, because I said I wanted this to be a choker, and this is basically choker size. So I need to add 2 pearls. It says get 2 pearls on. This last part is not well explained at all. I found another tutorial from someone called Bead Spider. Did this thing, I don't know. Find a better tutorial. Just be entertained by me. Kind of needs to go all the way down. Again, this French wire is not ideal. It's a little bit too wide for my thing. And it's a little shinier, but I looked high and low for something that would work and could not for the life of me find the right one. I gotta make some knots for this one, and the way this sweet woman did it is that she made a little, what's that called? You know? And she went under, just like boop. I did it 1 knot. So you make a loop, you hold the loop in place, you go under the necklace, you put all of your DNA on the end of the necklace, and then you pass it through the loop. Then you lose it out of the loop, and you pass it through the loop again, in a place where no one can see, and then you pull it. Then you fuck up, and then you fix your fuck up, and you pull again. It's a little loose on the end, but you know what? That's fine. You pass this needle down here. Okay, and now I guess I'll just do a shit ton of knots to minimize the slide up. The way they end it, they've done a gazillion knots, and then they pull the threads to the end here. So I can get, okay, one thing at a time. Let's not get distracted. Here, and this dude, he used the same looking glue as this lady, but I don't have that, so I'm using this nail glue, which is for all intents and purposes super glue. Don't want to put it on this thing, and they put it, let's just make sure my hand is right in the shot there so you can't see it. Okay. They put it on the little knot, and then they go up the thread. I think it's melting. There was definitely a bit of smoke there. Let's make sure to get that super glue on the table too. And on my fingers. Yep. Great. Great. Okay. Would have been good to have something to put on it. Boop. You know what? No, you don't want it to glue there. Okay. Still not dry, so you know. Be patient. Give it a second. I will not be re-pearling a necklace anytime soon. However, I can do it. I can say I can re-pearl a necklace. Yeah, maybe I would end up liking it. I don't know. It's time to cut, and we're done. We're done, baby. Just cut it right above, right there. Boom. It's a little rough around the edges. Yeah, maybe. Okay. How does it look though? And then she says, roll it out a little bit, demystify the knots. Ooh. It's a little longer than a choker. I would have liked it like this. I was afraid it would be, I don't know, I was afraid I would get a fat neck and not be able to wear it, which is dumb because now I know how to rethread a necklace, but you know, this is how it is. Thank you for learning something new with me. I hope you like this. I do. I hope I wear this again, maybe near the house. Maybe I'll wear it near the house. Just at the beginning to feel more comfortable. Okay, bye. Check back in, I don't know, whenever I post again, which is about every 2 weeks, to see what other shenanigans I've gotten myself into. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you're entertained. My back hurts.